Hi Anil. Hi Anshka. Sorry, Anushka. Hi Anushka. Beta, a lot of people are new. Don't worry. Hi Siri. Hey Siri. Hey Manoj. Hi Dev. Hi Anil. Chasing cheat. I absolutely don't know what that means. Yes, Sonam. I know. Before that, I was talking about before that. Hi Ekta. Hi Sarat. So guys, as you can see, I'm fine. Parmananda, how are you? Hi Ajay. Hi Sarat. Okay. First things first. Welcome to today's masterclass. Today's masterclass is about learning some tricks regarding redox reactions. Okay, we are going to discuss a couple of reactions, which are a couple of questions which are very common, and then we are going to find out small tips and tricks to solve them easily. That is going to be our target. Hi Aditi. Hi Rakesh. And so today's our session plan is basically questions on oxidation reduction, reductant on oxidant, oxidation number, disproportionation, comproportionation. Okay, these are our following topics for today. These are our following topics for today. Before going into the topic, I would like inform you about our interface, how our interface works. The middle section is the whiteboard. Okay, this is where the questions or quizzes will be there. Top right corner, me, I think. Below there is a chat room on which you have been interacting with each other. You can ask questions in that. There is Venkatesh as the TA for the session, and I am there teaching this masterclass. We have quizzes, we have polls, we have hotspots. Hotspots are on-spot quizzes, okay? And we have a leaderboard also. And the leaderboard will reflect the top scorer of the session, okay? Leaderboard will reflect the top scorer of the session. So I think everyone should be looking forward to the leaderboard. And to give you an idea about how the interface works, I'm creating a live question for you. Can you hear me? Can you see me? Yes or no? Can you hear me? Can you see me? Yes or no? This is a live quiz created, okay? But the redox is from class 11th, but it is required in electrochemistry as well. So it's like everywhere. P block, organic, oxidation reduction. Sprint. What do you mean by sprint? Weightage of this topic. The questions might come directly, the question might come indirectly. The weightage is actually of the concept. The concept is quite important, and that is why we have chosen questions related to conceptual problems. Yes, it is important for JEE. It is important in physical. It is important in organic. It is important in inorganic. It is important on all three aspects. Vijay, that is a supplementary. See, that's a help which you are getting. Okay. The main thing is that you put your own effort along with it as well. If you do not put it, I don't think so. Only one thing will suffice. And the correct answer is 95% of the people are with me. 5%. Okay, could not, guys. Yeah, but see, it's not a very big concept. It's an important concept. Okay, for the 5% of the people who are for whom I'm not visible and audible, please refresh. Please refresh. So the first question coming in front of you, the first quiz. I'm giving you 45 seconds to answer the question. 10 seconds extra to start early. Your 10 seconds have started now. Not a problem. Starting the quiz. There are different definitions of oxidation in redox. Okay, actually I think there are 5 definitions, including the oxidation state and the electrons acceptance logic. So that is what you have to choose. That is what you have to choose. Okay, last 10 seconds. Last 10 seconds. 10 on 10, that's very good. 75%, that's very good. The answer is all of these guys. Addition of electronegative element is also oxidation. Electronegative element can be, suppose you have sodium and you add chlorine to sodium, you get sodium chloride. In this, sodium is plus and chlorine is minus, so sodium is oxidized from 0 to 1. So even that, this is the first definition. The second definition, increase in oxidation state. Yes, sodium was 0, sodium went to plus 1, the oxidation state increased. Loss of electrons, yes, sodium lost an electron. So all of these are the definitions of oxidation process. All of these are the definition of oxidation process. This was a very good attempt. Let's see for another question. The next question. Oh, the next question, guys. Sorry. Giving you 45 seconds starting the quiz. See, n factor is quite an important thing. Okay, n factor is quite an important idea uh, when it comes to redox or when it comes to analytical chemistry. Basically, starting the quiz. It has been 5 minutes, beta. It has been 5 minutes. The equivalent weight of O3. The equivalent weight of O3. For equivalent weight, you need n factor, and you need to think about how to calculate the n factor in this. How to calculate the n factor in this. Last 10 seconds. Four people. 30%. Okay. See, the point is that most of the people might not remember the definition of n factor. So let me define the definition. First, let me define the quantity. So n factor for redox is defined as change in total oxidation state in 1 mole reactant. Change in total oxidation state in 1 mole reactant. Now you have O3. O3 is going to H2O. 1 mole contains 3 oxygen and all of the 3 are at 0. And to balance it out, you need 3 moles out here as well. So 3 moles have, 1 mole has minus 2, 3 moles, 1 oxygen has minus 2. So 3 oxygens have minus 6. So the change is from 0 to 6. So the factor is 6. And the correct answer is, if the molecular mass is m, then answer is m divided by 6. Getting my point? This is how you calculate the n factor, and this is the definition. This is the definition of n factor in redox. Change in oxidation state, the total change in total oxidation state in 1 mole compound. That is why all the 3 oxygens were chosen. Next question. This is an easy question, giving you 45 seconds. I'm starting the quiz already. Tips to solve handwriting is not clear, sir. Okay. Give some tips to solve. The basic tip is remember the definition. If you remember the definition of n factor, most people don't. That is why they always get confused in n factor. Always. Never do it. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay, only 3. Well, the percentages are declining. 28.3. What happened in this question? Which of the following change requires a reducing agent? So a reducing agent will oxidize. Sorry. A reducing agent. Yes, a reducing agent will reduce. So let's see which of the following is reduction. This is plus 6. This is plus 6. Same. 3 to the 6. This is plus 5. This is plus 1. Reduction. This is 3 to the 6 and 3 plus 3. This is 4 to the 8 and 3 plus 5. Oxidation plus 3 plus 3. So oxidation state is decreasing only in option number B. So the correct answer is option number B. Okay. So then this process reducing agent is required because bromine is getting reduced. The oxidation state is decreasing. Oxidizing agents gets oxidized and does reduction. Oxidizing agent gets oxidized, and that is why reduces others. And that is why it reduces others. Let's see the leaderboard after these many questions. Ekta is on the top, then Sayed, then Harshita. Okay, so Ekta is like very far away. Well done, Ekta. Then Sayed is trailing, and Harshita, you have to fight. Harshita, you have to fight. Okay, next question. Oxidizing agent reduces itself. Yes. 45 seconds, starting the quiz. This is an easy question. This is an easy question, especially for the people who are in class 12th. Especially for the people who are in class 12th. Let's see, last 71% have responded. Remember, when you're talking about superoxo, in superoxo, one oxygen has a minus half oxidation state. One oxygen have a minus half oxidation state, okay? That means the oxygen actually makes bond in on a molecular level. Oxygen actually makes bond in a molecular level. 1, 2, 3, 4. 29.82. For chromium, it is given that it should be plus 3. So let oxygen be X, chromium be plus 3, ammonia is 0, water is 0, chlorine is minus 2. This is equal to 0. So, and O2 will be 2X. So 2X plus 1 is equal to 0. X is equal to minus half. And therefore, oxygen is superoxo. Oxygen is superoxo. Okay. Both the oxygens, it will be O2 minus 1, and O2 minus 1 is superoxo. O minus 1, sorry, O2 2 minus is peroxo, O2 4 minus is dioxo, and O minus is oxo. O2 minus is oxo, sorry. Okay, next question. So this was easy. Again, 45 seconds, starting the quiz. Think about the reaction properly. Think about the reaction properly. Take your time, look at the reaction properly. Sorry, buddy, I don't know Tamil. We mostly teach in English. Sometimes some students we switch to Hindi, but mostly to English better. In English, sorry, not to English. Only two people have given the correct answer, Ekta and Sonam. 28.81. Ritvika, you're correct. It's pretty simple. Disproportionation is a reaction in which a single element oxidizes and reduces. In this, O2 goes to minus 1. O2 from minus 1, it goes to 0. That means it oxidizes. Whereas this goes to minus 2 as well as it goes to minus 1 to minus 2. That means it reduces as well. So first of all, redox is occurring as well as this reaction is categorized as disproportionation reaction. This reaction is categorized as disproportionation reaction. Okay, let's see the leaderboard now. Hi Akash. Okay, Ekta is way far ahead. Then Ritik, then Harshita. Okay, Harshita has maintained a position. Well done, Harshita. Syed, you need to fight. You need to fight. Sonam, I can't see you. I can't see you in the board. Next question, guys. Which is not the disproportionation reaction? 45 seconds, starting the quiz. Which is not the disproportionation reaction? Hi, Aditi. which is not a disproportionation reaction. Simple. Last 5 seconds. Last 5 seconds. Only two again, but the percentage has increased a bit, 36.36%. Okay. See, the first is disproportionation. The second is also disproportionation. This is oxidation, and this is reduction. This is also disproportionation, same element. This is comproportionation. Opposite of disproportionation. Opposite. Okay. In disproportionation, one single goes into two oxidation states. In comproportionation, two goes to one single oxidation state. So that is why it is called comproportionation. Okay. So guys, if you have liked the question, I needed to inform you about there is a JEE crash course. Okay, it started from the October. This is specifically for the people who are looking for a short revision. Okay, who are looking for a short revision. There is a coupon code and all. There is a price of 7,999. We'll talk about this at the end of the session. Okay, we'll talk about this at the end of the session. Let's go to another quiz. I'm just telling you there is a crash course, and this is suitable for the people who are looking for a shortcut revision. That's it. 45 seconds. Aman 16 is the coupon code. I'll talk about that coupon code beta. Starting the quiz. This is easy. So we have last 10 seconds. We have last 10 seconds. The change in oxidation state of iron. Change in oxidation state of iron. None. Okay, six had given the correct answer, 34.78%. Okay. Iron in this case will be +2, and iron in this case will be +3. So the change in oxidation state is 1, and it has oxidized. The change in oxidation state is 1, and it has oxidized. This is easy. Cyanide, for cyanide, this is -6. For potassium, this is +4. -6 and +4 is -2. -2 goes to the opposite side. This becomes +2. And -6 plus 3, -6 plus 3 goes to +3, obviously. Okay, so it is oxidizing. Next question. We don't have much more to discuss in that. Not a problem, silly. Sorry for that. Unfortunately, it got clicked. Starting the quiz again. Go for it. Which of the following is a redox reaction among these? Which of the following is a redox reaction among these? In the first reaction, I don't think so. This is a lot complicated. If you see at option number C easily reveals the answer, guys. Perfect. 6 people were right. A couple of people might have gotten confused. I got that. Guys, it's pretty simple. In the first case, this process is in organic, it is called reduction. Okay, but what is happening is that carbon is getting reduced, and hydrogen is getting oxidized. So the first one is actually a redox. The second one, mercury is in +2, mercury is in +1, tin is in +2, tin is in +4. Again, redox. Change in oxidation state, +2, +1, reduced, +2, +4, oxidized. Organic अभी तक नहीं चला है, okay. Dave, just a second. Would you please type a question? In this case, Ba +2, sodium +1, Cl -1, SO4 -2, -2. Okay. So as you can see, the first and the second both are redox. So the correct answer is both A and B. Okay, both A and B. Next question. 45 seconds starting the quiz. %. Sonam has given the fastest answer. We'll go for the leaderboard after this one, okay? 36.84. Which of the following statement is true? Oxidation state of fourth and fifth element is always +1 and +2. First element and second. Okay, correct. Oxidation state of S in S8 and P in P4 is 0. Absolutely correct. Oxidation state of fluorine is always -1. Even this is true. So I think the answer is ABC. The answer is ABC. 1A and 2A. 1A and 2A are always +1 and +2. Oxidation state of sulfur in S8 is and P in P4 is 0. Oxidation state of fluorine is always -1. The correct answer is ABC. The correct answer is ABC. Okay, you're talking like that. Okay, sorry, even Venkatesh's idea is not bad. The thing is that sir has said that in case of F2, F has a 0 oxidation state. So F will not always have a -1. In hetero, it will always have a -1, but in homo, it might not have a -1. Absolutely correct. So the correct answer is option number D. A and B both. Okay, A and B both. Let's see the leaderboard. Ekta 700. Sonam has reached. Well done, Sonam. 540. Paritosh also 460. So people are growing. But Ekta, well done. You're not leaving your position. Next question. Giving you 45 seconds because you have to calculate a lot. So try up. Breakup minister. That's nice. What does it mean? I mean, what does a breakup minister do? Man, there is an hell watcher. That's interesting. बेटा आप hell को देख क्यों रहे हो? पर मेरा सवाल है. You are a hell watcher, I get it. But why are you watching the hell? 73. Only 96% could respond. What is the problem? Only Sonam. 31.48. Okay, so the following compounds are sulfur +4. The first one is +4. Second one is +6. This is +4. This is +4. This is +6. This is +4. This is +2. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. The correct answer should be option number D. 1, 2, 3, and 4. The correct answer is option number D. Yeah. Next question. 45 seconds, go for it. John D. Rockefeller. How's the businessman? Okay, come on. This is easy. For the class 12 students, you might remember it from self or auto reduction. Self or auto reduction. Okay, 4 people, 58.49%. Guys, simple. First of all, let's check option by option. Smelting. No, it's not smelting. Self or auto reduction. In self or auto reduction, yes, this is the reductant. This is the oxidant, and this is the reductant. This will get reduced. Will get reduced. So option A is correct. Copper is oxidized. Copper is oxidized. Yes, okay. Which copper? But copper is oxidized. Copper is reduced. Sulfur is oxidized. This is correct. Sulfur goes from -2 to +4. And copper should be reduced. This should be reduced. And the correct answer would be option number D. Sorry, there was a small misprint. The copper should be reduced. Copper does not get oxidized. Copper gets reduced. Okay. So sulfur is neither reduced. Okay, got it. So the correct answer is obviously option number D with a small misprint. Don't worry. Copper is reduced. I think most of the people might have gotten it. So as I was telling you about a crash course, So some people will ask me about the coupon. So this is a coupon. Okay, Aman 16. What you do is that after getting proper informations, you log on to the site, go to enroll, have a coupon, apply the coupon. The price will directly reduce to 14,000 of 7,999. Okay, and again I'm telling you this is for the people who want a shortcut revision. This is only for the people who want a shortcut revision, who don't want to make an extra effort through it. So everything is prepared. You can just join and start through it. Okay. So Ekta, congratulations. You're the top of the class. Then Sonam, well done, beta. Sonam, you have fought good. I would like to see you in the next session also, and with a good spirit again. और शुरू से top पे चाहिए आप. Will there be any crash course before April? Yes, there would be a crash course before April, beta. Obviously, there will be a crash course. We have crash course. We have test series coming up. All will be informed to you. Don't worry. And for the students who are in class 12, please focus on your boards right now. Okay, please focus on your boards right now. You can start with the objectives. But like don't just follow the objectives. And most importantly, don't give casually. Don't give the exam casually. That might not be very fruitful to you. Don't give the exam casually. Okay. Okay, guys. Look, this is it from me tonight. Thank you very much. Again, Ekta and Sonam, congratulations. I would like to see you in the next webinar as well, going through the scoreboard. And for the rest of the people, you need to study. So please study. Okay. And next masterclass, we'll meet with another topic. So thank you very much. Keep smiling, keep learning. Okay. That's the motive.